Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 Bootrec / fixboot access is denied during fixboot configuration. Type Bootrec / fixboot. Access is denied error. Type bootsec /nt60 sys. Type Bootrec /fixboot. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.